Hi everyone, welcome to Pandas course. Today we are going to discuss about read data from files. In previous video we have discussed about the basic information of Pandas series and Pandas data frame. Today we can discuss how to read data from files in like CSV, Excel and JSON and other formats. Just import pandas as PD for reading a file. We need a read operation, read methods in pandas. To read a file, we have to use read a function. See, data equals to pd dot read. If you can see, there are like a different read functions: read CSV, read Excel, read HTML, JSON, different formats, even XML format. By, by using pandas, we can read these kind of files directly using this method. Today I'm reading CSV file. Then we have to give read underscore CSV. Here we have to read the CSV file. We have to give the path of CSV file. I have a 01 dot CSV file. I have data underscore 01 dot CSV data. So in this screen you can see data underscore 01 dot CSV 2 dot CSV. These all are my data files. Here I am reading data underscore 01 dot CSV. After reading, it is printing all table data. So why we are not giving like a pd dot data frame and then we have to give like a data? These all things are not necessary here. So the read underscore CSV file, CSV function will take care about all those things. Just we need to pass the file and print the data. Then here you can see first name, last name, experience and score. These all are columns. How to print the column names? Data dot columns. You can see first name, last name, experience and score. You can you observe this one? Data score. Before score there is a space, before experience there is a space, and here also spaces are there. So if I want to print my values, then I can print data dot values. You can see all list of values will print here. So and I want to check what is the type. Type data frame. So this is one kind of data calling. So if my CSV is not proper, then what to do? For example, I'm opening this second data underscore 2 file. Here all comma separated columns are there, rows are there. So here there is no header. Header in the sense there is no column name. So then we can data dot pd dot data equals to pd dot read underscore CSV data underscore 02 dot CSV. What is data here? See, my CSV doesn't have column headers. Then what it took? The first row of the CSV file, Alex Smith Python 92. This is not a correct way, right? So we need to tell to the Method, my CSV doesn't have headers. For that, we need to give like this header equals to none. Then see, if I'm giving to CSV, my header is none. Then what it will give? By default, it is adding 0, 1, 2, 3. Some numerical numbers it is adding. So I want to give my own header. I don't want 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. So how to do? After taking this CSV file, here we need to mention my header is none. Then add names equals to first name, last name, course and score. I'm giving. So what I'm telling, I'm reading CSV file, but this CSV file doesn't have headers. So then I need to add headers like this to that CSV, first name, last name, course and score. Then see, before that it showed like a 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I am giving headers here, first name, last name, course and score. Then it is automatically placed headers. This is the one way of reading a CSV file if CSV doesn't contain any headers. The next one, we can open next file, first name, last name, experience, score. Headers are there. But here you can see there is a pipe symbol. One line is there. So this CSV will accept this line. How it will read, we can check now. Data equals to pd dot read underscore CSV data underscore 03 dot CSV, and data is, you can see how it is reading. It is reading as a single column. So here it is not splitting by using this pipe symbol. So what to do? I want 4 columns. I don't want a single column. Then you have to tell to the CSV, you have to split by using this symbol. So SCP is a parameter. Here we have to mention that symbol. Then by using this symbol, it will split. Can we check now? Yes. Here you are able to see, right? Here 4 columns we got. If I am adding SCP equals to that symbol. This is the one way if CSV contains like a different kind of symbols. So it will separate by using the symbol and it will give like a proper structure. And another approach. I'm opening the another data set. See, this is the one more CSV file. Here there is like a comments and spaces. These all are there. Then we'll see how it will read. Calling CSV again. Data equals to pd dot read underscore CSV data underscore 04 we're testing for CSV data. See how it prints. Here also it is taking like a single line, single column, and the first comment is taking like a header. I don't want this kind of result. I want to split data. What to do? So first we need to remove these comments. To remove the comments in CSV, we have to give like comments equals to hashtag. So here we can check yes. If I when I have given this comment equal to hashtag, that comments are removed, but still it is in single column. Here you can see slash t is there. So we need to split this values in this columns into four columns. To do that, we need to give like SEP again to split values by this slash t. Now I'm running. You can see it's split it into four columns. This is a one approach. If CSV contains any comments and any spaces, we have to apply two or four arguments. We need to give a proper structure and we need to print. Then if can I go into different approach? Yes, this is a data frame. Here I don't have any comments, but this is like content I have. So content, how to remove this content? See, these three lines are content and remaining all are columns. To remove this content, we have to add skip row function. So I'm again calling the data frame data underscores 05 dot csv skip rows equals to 3. So I'm telling my 3 rows are not proper structure. So after that you can see I'm skipping 3 rows and then it is giving like a proper structure. So this is like a different approach. So based on our requirement, we can add whatever we want and we can structurize the data. This is this is the way we are reading the files and applying arguments and printing the result in proper structure. In next video, we can discuss about how to read other format files and how to use this kind of operations in other format files. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel.